Hi there. We've already touched on SEO and PR and how they are connected in different ways. But a common question still comes up. Can you just focus on one, or is one more important than the other? So it's worth clearing this up properly because a lot of confusion comes from how these two actually work in practice. So again, what SEO actually is. So SEO, or search engine optimization, is focused on improving how visible your website is in search engines like Google. It involves things like keywords, content optimization, website structure, backlinks from other sites as well. The goal is simple: help people find you through search. And then again, what PR actually is. So, PR, or public relations, is focused on building visibility and credibility through media and publications. That can include journalist speeches, expert quotes, brand mentions in articles, as well as thought leadership pieces. The goal is not just traffic, it's trust, authority, and visibility in credible media spaces. So now where SEO and PR overlap. So this is where things start to blend a bit. PR can support SEO when media coverage leads to brand mentions, backlinks, or increased search interest. SEO can also support PR when journalists find your brand through strong search visibility or credible content. So they influence each other, but they are not the same discipline. So now here's the question: can you do SEO without PR? Well, the answer is yes, you can. SEO can be built through content, technical optimization, and backlink strategies without any PR involvement. However, it often takes longer to build external authority because you're not relying on third party media validation. And then vice versa, can you do PR without SEO? So, also, yes, traditional PR can focus purely on media relationships, brand awareness, and coverage without any SEO focus. So, you can still get published in major outlets without thinking about rankings or search performance. Now, here's where people often get confused. So, people often confuse SEO and PR because in modern digital marketing, they frequently overlap in the same outcomes. For example, a press article might both build brand credibility and improve search visibility at the same time. It also gets confusing because agencies sometimes combine them under digital PR, which makes it feel like they are the same service. On top of that, backlinks from media coverage blur the lines even further because they affect both visibility and SEO performance. So, why SEO and PR are not competing strategies? So, instead of thinking of SEO and PR as competing strategies, it's more accurate to see them as different tools that solve different problems. So, SEO helps people find you when you are searching. PR helps people trust you when they see you. For example, if a startup publishes SEO content or consistent SEO content, they might get discovered through Google search. But if that same startup is featured in a major publication, PR then builds credibility that makes people more likely to trust what they find later through that same SEO practices. So SEO builds discovery and PR builds validation, and they reinforce each other when they are used together. So you don't have to choose between SEO and PR, and one isn't more important than the other. They just work in different ways and at different stages of visibility as well. And when you understand how they connect, you can use both more strategically instead of treating them as separate silos.